All right, apparently we're having camera issues. So I don't know if this will come through, but I just did the top super and it had 5 frames capped, ready to go. So I moved those to the outside. And so this is a second deep. And let me see how close we are on this one. I don't know what's up with my camera, sorry. But anyways, we're not pulling honey this week. I don't know if that first one will come through, but we're not pulling honey this week because we had a monster harvest the other day and it just took way too long. So I'm gonna wait one more week, and if I have to, I'll give them a honey super. But those look good. Close, very close. So close ones, if there's any full ones, those will go to the outside. And the ones that need to be finished will go to the inside. We'll rotate a little bit, like right there. That one needs to get, those just need to get capped. They're still leaving that center dome one. Looks like they're full but not capped. And the same with this one. That one's full. There's nothing open in here except for where they got a few cells full of pollen. So what is that? That's it. So this is pretty much, I haven't pulled any honey from this hive yet. And they're definitely stacking it in. It's just not 100% capped until just now. So next week will be pretty good. But you'll see, it's just not being capped. It's not finished, so. Way more than 20%, I would say. Not that one though. That one looks like it's gonna go to the outside. I'm gonna hang this one. That will go to the outside. This one here, full, done. That's to the outside. So what I'll do here is you're going in. Come on, girls. Oof. There we go. You don't want to slide today. So full to the outside. And that'll give them a chance to finish and work on the outer frames. Like that. So this is one we haven't seen, which is really close. That one's, so this needs to get finished. So what I'm gonna do is move that one in. I'm gonna spin this one so that's to the inside. This one here, that's full. Okay. All right, so we have pretty much complete frames to the outer edge. And then the rest they're gonna have to do, they can work on. There we go. Because I know I'm not pulling honey today. So what I'm gonna do is the ones like this that need to get finished, that's going to the inside. And then the ones that are completely done, what I should do is put all the ones in one, put it in a box, but I'll just leave it to the outer edge. That'll be next week. Next week is probably gonna be at least a box pull. So let's have hernia number 2 and pull this one. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, super number 3. Super number 3. Let's see if I can not mess the camera today. So this one here should just be, this is all new comb. 3 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago. This is not by far not my best comb building hive. So I'll just clean this up. Oh, we got one. Come back. Yeah. I'm just cleaning it up. All right, let's just take a peek, see what they're up to. And they are drawing comb on the outer edge. So what I'm really looking for is, do I have enough space? We haven't had rain in almost 2 weeks, so can't imagine we're gonna have a monster flow this week. So that's frame 2. Looks very good. So I'm gonna leave these girls be. They've got very little space up top. Just gotta do some capping work. But this one here, this looks good. They got room. They got room. All right, girls. All right. Let me see what side they're building better than the other. All right, so the ends are open. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see here. Do I add another one? Do I add another one? Let's see. We add another honey super. Ah, capping it right there. Good. So that's what? All right, so that's 7. So it looks like we have plenty of, I'd like to say, all right, I'm going to determine that we need to add another box. So they got one right here. One right there. Actually, what I'm going to do is, just going to show you what I do when I add another box. So let's do that. So I'm going to add another super to this, and hold on 1 second. All right, so what I do when I add another super is I pull 2 good frames that they've already started, like 1 and 2, and then I'll add those to my new super. And then I take 2 brand new frames. I do not have any more drawn comb. So, come on, girls. That's it. So now, take that off, and we will add this, and I'll show you here in a second. 4. You go this way, you go this way. Take these 2 here. All right, we're done. Let me pop this off and you'll see what I'm talking about. Actually, this gotta stay here. This has to stay here. All right. Well, that's it. So what I've done is I've taken 2 frames they were already working on, and I put it into the new super, so it's not completely new. And they're gonna start working on that. Thank you for watching.